All right, this is the afternoon of day 2, Pennsylvania rifle, and I'm up. So it's my turn to start hunting. I'm gonna hunt this big field here, and I'm not playing around. I'm gonna go hardcore on these. All right, we got change of plans. Jim wanted to hunt this field, so I'm out again and I'm watching him. He's in a tower right here, and he's got, if it's gonna focus, it's really early in the morning. It's probably not gonna focus, but he's got some does. Looks like 2 or 3 does right there by that pine tree. It's not gonna focus. And he had a couple deer out there. No bucks yet. Jim got 2 bucks. Okay. They're small though.
Mama, I'm gonna throw the knife. What color are you? I'm purple. I'm gonna throw the knife across the room. And then I'll hit it with my pipe to block it. I sliced you. No, I knocked it out. No, I stopped it. I blocked it. I blocked it with my pipe. No, I smacked you with it. Whatever, I got a 6. I smacked you with it.
Look at this, look at this.
Yeah, we're cutting you.
Georgianne, look at this. Georgianne, look at this. Liam, get behind me, don't get in front of me. There's 2 bucks walking, they just crossed the ditch. No, look out there. They're right out there. I don't know if Jim's gonna shoot or not. Oh, there's another one coming out.
I can't see anything.
You gotta look from the window, Liam. I can't see anything.
Get the dog, do not let that dog over there.
Brian, stop getting excited because that's what does it.
There's the broken horn. There's the broken side one.
Maybe we can stand here and stand up here.
Dan, that broken horn would be nice if he.
Hello? There was a bunch of deer out there right now, but we're just getting chairs up to look. He messed with him.
What did you shoot?
I shot the stick down there.
You just chose to shoot one of the.
I just chose to shoot the 6 because it's getting late. We're gonna end up. I'm leaving tomorrow.
Oh, okay.
So,
There was just. Did you see all the deer coming out
I saw
though?
them over there, and as soon as I saw them over there,
They ran.
These guys started running.
Uh-huh.
My chances,
You were like, oh crap.
I need to fucking take a deer. I mean,
So did it drop?
it's laying on me. It's laying right there. But
What the heck happened?
when I first saw them come out, I
Yeah.
saw him first.
Yeah.
And then I saw a rack behind him.
Yeah.
I instantly was like, the big one's coming right behind him. So I like grabbed my gun.
Uh-huh.
I aimed out. I saw the 6 and I was like, well, where the hell's the big one? He's right behind him. I saw his rack.
Yeah.
And I'm like, where is it? And then the next deer came out and it was the one that only had
On one side, yeah.
I was like, fuck.
You shot a doe. He scared the shit. Yeah. I just scared the crap out of him.
See, it's antler.
I know, I couldn't see it either.
It's an 8. It's a small 8.
I scared the crap out of you,
Dude,
didn't
I
I?
couldn't fucking see him at first.
I couldn't see the antlers.
It's an 8. It's the one with the broken horn.
The broken point on it, yeah. I think he was the wider of all three of them, actually. That's what I was hoping you were going to shoot. The 6-pointer, you kept saying 6-pointer. He was really bright white antlers.
Yeah, I thought that was this guy.
This is the one yesterday I had on film. This is the one that came
That
out.
ran across the
Yeah,
field.
that I had him on film yesterday.
This is not as big, nowhere near as
I
close
know.
as the
So-
one that came. That thing was like this tall around here.
So half an hour, he just shot this. It came right out of here, and he shot it from the stand over here. But half an hour earlier, 15 deer came from that mountain, came across our field, and a giant buck was in the front. And he tried to get on the big buck, but the buck was leading the pack. Somebody must have chased it from that hill, and he couldn't get the gun on the deer, the giant buck fast enough. So the big buck ended up on our hillside. So somebody gave us a big buck for the rest of the season. And Jim is leaving tomorrow morning, and he didn't want to risk not getting one. So these 3 bucks, this is the one he's like, well, I'm going to shoot him and be done.
Well, because if I was heading home, If I didn't shoot today, the chances, there's 3 bucks in the field.
Yeah.
The first one I saw was
Legal.
a 6.
Yeah.
Then I saw a 4.
The broken
then we saw
horn.
the monster, but the monster ran across the field.
Yeah, he didn't have time.
So these guys came out, and
That's it.
that
So-
was the end of the story. The crazy part is they were right in front of me. I was on him the whole time, I think.
Yeah.
And he was standing out there with another buck. I think it had
A broken horn.
It had just 2 on one side, just on over here. The other side was off. And then you said there's a deer over there.
Yeah, there was more coming out.
So I turned to look at them, and as I turned to look at them, they started running. So
Yeah. So
I saw them running. As they ran down here, they all jumped, and he stayed right here. He did a circle. And I saw him walking this way, and I was like, he's getting it.
he's getting it. I tried to. So these 3 bucks were just standing out in front of the blind, and he was debating on shooting one of them. And I was like, wait, don't shoot. The big one's on the hill here. He might come out. Wait. And then something spooked him, and they started running. He was like, no. And he shot. So that's it. So that's game over.
It was a hit and done.
Just
He didn't even-
you smacked him and dropped. Where's the shot
I
at?
don't even see it.
No, as good or
I
entrance.
don't even see the entrance.
Right here?
man.
No?
No.
I saw like a yellow spot.
No, it might be up here. I aimed right up here. He blew his shoulder. I don't even see it. That's the thing that's crazy. It hit him. Not a good shot. Come here.
Okay, so we found the bullet hole. So right there in the shoulder, right there. And it came out the heart on the other side because it was a little bit of an angle. So
Daddy, are we gonna cut it?
yeah, we're gonna cut him up. We gotta get the tag on him. Let's get the tag on him. I'm gonna go get the buggy, and you guys tag him.
Okay, before we start, we tagged him.
It's
Here. It's legal.
All right,
I got my tag in there. I just had to stick it through.
before we gut him. I'm not gonna gut him down here where all the deer. I'm gonna gut him somewhere else. But let's get away on him. And
I'm gonna guess. Hold on, guess. I'm gonna say he's 145.
I'm gonna say 130.
188?
How much do you think he weighs?
188?
I'm not feeling with it.
I might be wrong on this one.
Yeah, you might be wrong. I might be wrong. He's pretty fucking heavy.
All right, let's take this.
He's pretty heavy. And if he's not, he looks like Chelsea.
Here, go ahead up there. I'll put him up. Yeah, I might be wrong on this one.
I think you're wrong.
This is a much bigger body. Oh, did you see the body on this thing?
It's a bigger body than I thought.
Yeah, that's a bigger body deer than I thought, yeah, for sure. So on my gamble here, my deer spreader is permanently attached, so I just had to hook. I got to get it like a carabiner or something because I can't take this off to weigh it to put this in between it. So we're going to have to do some rigging here just to get them weighed until I get a different connector for this. But all right, come on over here. Try to keep it on that. Get back. Don't let him slide off. You hold his
Stand back up.
antlers. You hold his antlers, Jim, because it'll slam on the ground and break. Get back, Luke. It's going to swing. If it swings, it's going to, Jim, this whole thing will fall over if you let it swing. I don't think it's high enough. It might not be high enough. Now it's heavy, though.
I have to come around here.
Yes, right there. Come over here, get the weigh.
He is 65.
Where's it at?
It's over there. It's 65 kilograms. Because you
You
have
gotta push the button. You gotta switch to measure it.
143 pounds.
Wow.
I said 145.
Whoa! Your price is right, sucker! Wow!
I was close.
I said 130. I just took a shot at this buck. Had like 275. Had first light and I hit him. I think I hit him high. So I had to run out here in the field. He was kind of like trying to get up. And I didn't want to take a long shot, so I came out after him. Yeah, it's a good one. It's a 9 point. Yeah, it's a big sucker, man. Wow. That is a big sucker.
Yeah, I'm not that
All right, well, that's a big one.
Yeah. All right, we got him in there. We just had to move out of some mud real quick, but we got him all tagged up. The buggy was about to get stuck in a couple of the corn ruts here, but all right, he's tagged up. We're gonna go get him weighed. What'd you say?
I
180?
said 185, but now
190?
I'm looking at him. I don't know.
It
It might
might
be a
be-
little bigger than that.
Yeah. I'm hoping to break that 200, but we'll see. I wrapped it around that pole once it got tight. You good, Dan?
Yes.
Can you get him?
I don't know if it's on the wheel.
It is. You gotta pull straight down. You're going out to the right.
Oh,
pull
hold
straight.
on, hold on.
Go to your, yeah.
I can't grip it. Oh, that's why. Dude,
You can't get him?
I can't grip the rope. It's just a fucking piece of metal.
Can you put it around that pole behind you?
You can do it. There you go. Come on, muscles.
Step on it when it gets
good
slower.
Come on, muscles. Whoa, jump you.
Dude, you can't, like, you have wire.
Let me
It's
help you.
wire.
We got to get a better system here. All right, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. All right.
All right, let me get the weight here. It's right here. It says 202.33.
Oh, baby! Wrap that sucker around. That's good. Just keep pressure on it. It's official. Is it official? It's off the ground. It's not touching. Steady. Let it go steady.
Stop his head from moving.
What's it say now?
200.
200.12 ounces. Some slack. Oh, heck. All right, so
It's at 1.4 pounds.
we were just doing it again because I wasn't happy with it. I don't know. I want to get it for sure.
Yeah, that thing was in last time. That's why I couldn't get it.
You gotta come this way. We can do it.
Why doesn't the wheel shimmy this way?
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, fuck, dude. Put it down. Gotta go higher. Break down.
All right, you're off the ground. Wrap it up.
What the hell is it doing? See what I'm saying?
Here, hold this. I'll mess with that.
It was great the first time, but
It's in. Nope. I don't know if this is what's in.
see, something's pronounced now. I'm done on 90.
What?
Something's not right. It's tearing something off the weight.
No, it's not. It can't do that. It's only hanging from the deer.
Yeah, but how
195.05.
how we lose 7-8 pounds?
Because something happened. It's hanging directly off the ground. It's got nothing. It's coming from here straight down to the deer.
Pull the legs off that.
Okay.
Is it pushing it? Yeah. There you go.
That's when you push pressure against the pole. You can't have pressure against the pole. Because see how it's putting pressure on its pole.
It's taking weight off.
No, it's adding weight. It's putting pressure on that. So according to this, right now it's 198.
Come around.
Hit the button so the lights up again.
Well,
You can say it.
I'm putting
190. What's it?
it kind of bouncing back and forth.
Yeah.
96.71.
198.91.
Oh.
Right there.
Well.
You missed it by a pound.
Yeah, at first it said 202, and then it said 200, and now it's saying 198. So, I don't know.
I think this is the most accurate. There's
Yeah.
no weight on it.
How about if we just forget this test and go with the first one?
Yeah, right.
I don't know. He's right on the border. Almost had it. Almost had it.
If you did a plus or minus 2, you're at 200.
All right, so we'll say 198. Well, yeah. So the first one was 202. This was 198. So we'll go 200. So he did make the 200. No, I don't know. I don't know. All right, here. Let's lay him down. We gotta go get him gutted. All right, so that's the end of the hunting season for us here. I've had this guy on camera a bunch of times, and he's a 10-point last year, and we found his shed antlers last year, and this year he only came out to be a 9-point. It almost grew his 10th point, almost again. And that's Jim's buck there. So that's the end of the hunting season. Maybe we'll do some late season duck hunting or something like that coming up.